In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to RSVP for an event in Gmail. Whether you're attending a business meeting, a birthday party, or any special event, responding promptly and accurately is crucial to staying organized and respectful. So let's dive in and make sure you know exactly how to respond. First, let's open your Gmail account. You can do this by navigating to gmail.com in your browser and signing in with your username and password if you're not already logged in. You'll want to ensure you're in the correct inbox. Typically, this is the primary tab where most invitations will land. Once you're in your inbox, look for the email invitation you receive. It generally includes the event information and options to RSVP. Now, open this event email by simply clicking on it. Inside the email, you should see all the event details such as the date, time, and any other relevant information provided by the sender. Often, right above these details, there's an RSVP option like an Attend button or similar choices saying yes, maybe, or no, now. Carefully review the event details and consider your availability. It's a good practice to cross-check with your calendar or planner to ensure you're free for the time slot. Once you're confident about your ability to attend, go ahead and click the appropriate RSVP button. If you see an Add button for Google Calendar, clicking this is a useful way to save the event directly to your calendar with one click. By clicking Yes, you're confirming your attendance. If you click Maybe, it lets the organizer know you're still deciding, and choosing No lets them know you won't make it. Remember, clarity is courteous when planning any event. If there are additional instructions from the organizer, follow these closely. For instance, there might be a request for additional information or dietary preferences. Meeting these requests thoroughly helps the event host plan better and demonstrates your attention to detail. It's beneficial to promptly respond to the invitation. A quick reply shows appreciation to the organizer and contributes to the smooth planning of the event. Don't forget to check if there's a request to send a personal message along with your RSVP, as this adds a personal touch, especially for smaller gatherings. Once you've RSVP'd and added it to your calendar, make sure to periodically check your email for any updates or changes regarding the event. Organizers sometimes send follow-up emails with important details that you wouldn't want to miss. By now, you should feel confident navigating your Gmail to RSVP to any event, keeping your schedule organized and being respectful and considerate to your hosts. So, take these simple steps, and you'll be an RSVP pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!